Have you ever wondered why we need to sleep? It's a question that has puzzled scientists and philosophers for centuries. But one thing is clear: sleep is as essential to life as air, food, and water. It's a universal phenomenon observed in every species, from the smallest insect to the largest mammal, suggesting it holds a fundamental biological importance. The world of sleep is shrouded in mystery, a time when our conscious minds take a back seat and our bodies dive into a state of rest and rejuvenation. But sleep is far more than just a period of rest. It's a complex, active process that affects every part of our body, from our brains to our muscles, our hearts to our immune systems. Sleep plays a crucial role in our overall health and well-being. It's during sleep that our bodies repair and rejuvenate themselves, our minds consolidate and store memories, and our immune system strengthens its defenses. This nightly rejuvenation process is vital for our mental and physical health. Lack of quality sleep can lead to a host of health issues, including heart disease, obesity, diabetes, and mental health disorders. Sleep deprivation can affect cognitive functions, impairing our ability to think clearly, make decisions, and control our emotions. In contrast, a good night's sleep can boost our mood, improve our memory and concentration, enhance our creativity, and even help us live longer. It's a natural performance booster, helping us to be more productive, efficient, and alert during our waking hours. So, why do we sleep? The answer is still a mystery, but we know that sleep is a complex, vital process that impacts every aspect of our health and well-being. It's much more than just a time to rest and recharge. It's a time when our bodies repair and rejuvenate, our minds consolidate and store memories, and our immune system strengthens its defenses. So, sleep is not just about feeling refreshed. It's a crucial part of our survival. But what exactly happens when we close our eyes and drift off into the world of dreams? Let's delve into the fascinating science of sleep. Sleep is not merely a passive state of rest, but a complex and dynamic process involving two main types: rapid eye movement, REM sleep, and non-REM sleep. Each has its unique characteristics and roles in the grand orchestration of our sleep cycle. Non-REM sleep is further divided into 4 stages, each deeper than the last. Stage 1 is a light sleep, where we transition from wakefulness. Here, brain waves slow down, muscles relax, and heart rate decreases. It's that fleeting moment when you're not quite awake, but not fully asleep. Proceeding to stage 2, our brain waves continue to slow, with occasional bursts of rapid waves called sleep spindles. This stage accounts for about half of our sleep time. It's still a light sleep, but we become less aware of our surroundings. Stages 3 and 4 are known as deep sleep or slow wave sleep. This is where the magic happens. During these stages, our brain waves are incredibly slow, with occasional faster waves. It's in this deep sleep that our body repairs muscles, stimulates growth, boosts immune function, and solidifies memories. If you've ever woken up feeling refreshed and rejuvenated, you've got these stages to thank. Then we transition to REM sleep, the stage closely associated with dreaming. Here, our brain activity increases, resembling that of being awake. It's a paradoxical state where our minds are buzzing with activity, yet our bodies are in a state of paralysis to prevent us from acting out our dreams. Throughout the night, we cycle through these stages multiple times, each cycle lasting about 90 minutes. It's a delicate ballet of brain and body, orchestrated by internal clocks and external cues. In sleep, we find a prime example of the body's remarkable ability to heal and rejuvenate itself. Each stage plays a crucial role in maintaining our physical and mental health. As we cycle through these stages, our bodies rejuvenate and prepare for a new day. But what happens when this vital process gets disrupted? Let's delve into the world of common sleep disorders. They can wreak havoc on our sleep quality and overall health, turning the blissful act of slumber into a nightly battle. Firstly, we have insomnia, an all-too familiar foe for countless individuals worldwide. This disorder is characterized by persistent difficulty falling asleep or staying asleep, even when conditions are perfect for a good night's rest. The consequences? You're often left feeling fatigued, low on energy, and struggling to concentrate during the day. Chronic insomnia can even lead to more severe health issues like depression or heart disease. Next up is sleep apnea, a rather stealthy adversary. It causes your breathing to repeatedly stop and start while you're asleep. This can result in loud snoring and feeling tired even after a full night's sleep. But it's more than just an annoyance. If left untreated, sleep apnea can lead to high blood pressure, stroke, or other serious cardiovascular problems. Lastly, let's talk about narcolepsy, a neurological disorder that affects the control of sleep and wakefulness. People with narcolepsy experience excessive daytime sleepiness and sudden attacks of sleep, which can occur at any time during the day. It's like your body's internal clock is out of sync, causing you to fall asleep when you should be awake and alert. This can be quite disruptive to everyday activities and can even be dangerous if it occurs while driving or operating machinery. So, you see, sleep disorders are more than just minor inconveniences. They can significantly affect our quality of life and overall health. But fear not, these conditions are diagnosable and treatable. Through various therapies, medications, and lifestyle changes, many people with sleep disorders can find relief. Proper diagnosis and treatment of these disorders are essential for maintaining good sleep health. So, if you're struggling with sleep, don't hesitate to reach out to a healthcare professional. After all, a good night's sleep is not a luxury, it's a necessity. You might ask, what's the big deal if I don't get enough sleep? Well, let me tell you, the impact of poor sleep stretches far beyond just feeling groggy the next day. It has both immediate and long-term effects on your health and well-being. In the short term, lack of sleep can lead to impaired cognitive function. This means you might struggle to concentrate, make decisions, or even recall simple facts. It's like trying to navigate through your day with a foggy windshield. You can't see clearly, and that can make even the simplest tasks feel like monumental challenges. Sleep deprivation also has a major impact on your mood. You might find yourself feeling irritable, anxious, or even depressed after a few nights of poor sleep. It's no wonder that we often feel like we woke up on the wrong side of the bed after a restless night. But the consequences of poor sleep don't stop there. In the long term, consistent lack of sleep can lead to serious health conditions. Research suggests that people who regularly get less than 6 hours of sleep per night are at a higher risk of developing chronic conditions like heart disease, diabetes, and obesity. And it's not just physical health that's at stake. Poor sleep can also increase your risk of mental health issues, including anxiety disorders and depression. It can even contribute to the development of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. So, if we're not sleeping well, we're not just tired, we're putting our health on the line. Our bodies need sleep to repair cells, consolidate memories, and perform essential functions that keep us healthy. Clearly, the stakes are high when it comes to getting a good night's rest. So the next time you're tempted to pull an all-nighter or skimp on sleep, remember the potential consequences. Your body, your mind, and your overall health will thank you for prioritizing sleep. So, how can you ensure you're getting the best sleep possible? The key to better sleep lies in a combination of good habits and a conducive environment. Let's talk about a few tips that can help you improve your sleep quality. Firstly, maintaining a consistent sleep schedule is crucial. Your body has an internal clock known as the circadian rhythm, and sticking to a regular sleep schedule helps regulate this rhythm. This means going to bed and waking up at the same time every day. Yes, even on weekends. This consistency can help you fall asleep faster and wake up feeling more refreshed. Next, create a restful environment. Your bedroom should be a sanctuary for sleep. This means it should be dark, quiet, and cool. Consider using earplugs, an eye mask, or a white noise machine if necessary. And remember, your bed is for sleep and relaxation only, so try to keep work and other activities out of the bedroom. Another important tip is to be mindful of what you eat and drink before bedtime. Avoid consuming large meals, caffeine, or alcohol close to bedtime as they can disrupt your sleep. Instead, opt for light meals and calming drinks like chamomile tea. Exercise is also an excellent sleep booster. Regular physical activity can help you fall asleep faster and enjoy deeper sleep. But remember, try not to exercise too close to bedtime as it might leave you too energized to fall asleep. Lastly, consider incorporating a relaxing pre-sleep routine. This could include activities like reading a book, listening to soothing music, or practicing mindfulness meditation. These activities can signal your brain that it's time to wind down and get ready for sleep. Now, these are just a few tips, and what works best may vary from person to person. So, don't be afraid to experiment and find what works best for you. Remember, good sleep is not a luxury, it's a necessity. Sweet dreams. Sweet.